Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And what we have today is in our mud ground. We have this giant elephant, and we have all these wild animals and wild herbivore animals. So let's start our video. As you can see, these wild cats catch this big elephant. So let's rescue this and let's start our video. And our first wild cat is this Lioness, queen of jungle. Let's wash him. Lioness is clean now. And our next animal, we have this Cheetah, fastest running animal. Cheetah, let's wash him. Cheetah is clean now. Very beautiful wild animal. In our next animal, we have this tiger, another wild cat, very dangerous wild cat. Let's wash him. Tiger is clean now. Very beautiful animal. And our next wild cat is we have this lion, the king of jungle. Let's wash this lion. Lion is clean now. Beautiful. And our next animal, we have this Jaguar, another wild cat. Let's wash him. Just look at the beautiful body of this Jaguar. And our next animal, we have this Crocodile, very dangerous wild animal. Crocodile, let's wash him. Crocodile, oh, very dangerous. And our next animal, we have this elephant. Oh wow, my god, this elephant is full with mud. Let's wash him. Think this elephant is clean? Yes, we did it. Elephant is clean now. Here. And our next animal, we have this brown bear. Another wild animal. Let's wash him. Brown bear is clean now. And our next animal, we have this black bear. Let's wash him. Black bear is clean now. And our next animal, we have this rooster. Beautiful rooster. Let's wash him. Rooster is clean now. And our next animal, we have this moose. Let's wash this moose. Moose, clean now. And our next animal, we have this zebra. Let's wash him. Zebra, it's clean now. And our next animal, we have this camel. Let's wash him. Camel, it's clean now. Our next animal, we have this deer. Let's wash him. Deer is clean now. Our last animal is giraffe. Let's wash him. Giraffe is clean now.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.